Good afternoon, students. Welcome to banking classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have seen that how bank deals with the minor. That means they are the special customers for the bank. After minor, there is a lunatic, Lunatic. Under Indian Contract Act, a contract with a lunatic is void. बेटा void का मतलब होता है कि बोथ द पार्टी मतलब ल्यूनेटिक के साथ कोई भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की कोई लीगल वैलिडिटी नहीं रहती. द रीजन बीइंग दैट द ल्यूनेटिक बीइंग ऑफ अनसाउंड माइंड इज नॉट कॉम्पिटेंट टू एंटर इनटू ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. बेटा ल्यूनेटिक के बारे में बोला जाता है एट द टाइम ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग पोजिशन ही कैन नॉट डिसाइड what is good and what is bad. If the banker, without knowing that person is lunatic and open an account and enters into contract acting in good faith, he is protected. इसका मतलब बेटा हो गया कि when a bank enters into lunatic, understanding that he is not in a lunatic position, he made a contract in good faith. In that case, bank is protected. But when once he gets a notice of lunacy of a person, he should not enter into a contract. लेकिन अगर बैंक को पता है कि he is having the lunatic person, he has been declared lunatic, so it is the duty of bank not to enter into a contract with the lunatic. That was all related with the lunatic. Now students, we have drunkard. Under Section 12 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, a man who is drunk cannot understand the contract or form rational judgment. He cannot enter into contract while such drunkenness lasts. When a customer who is drunk presents a check across a counter, the payment must be witnessed. इसका मतलब ये है बेटा कि बैंक को थोड़ा ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा. अगर कोई भी ड्रंकर कोई चेक प्रेजेंट करता है बैंक के पास, तो बैंक को उसके विटनेस का चेक करना चाहिए. बिना विटनेस का चेक किए बगैर उसके चेक को क्लियर नहीं करेगा. और तीसरा बेटा है मेरा मैरिड वुमेन. अ मैरिड वुमेन कैन एंटर इनटू अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड बाइंड हर पर्सनल यानी सेपरेट एसेट्स. बैंक शुड ऑब्जर्व एक्स्ट्रा प्रिकॉशंस रिगार्डिंग सैंक्शन ऑफ overdraft and loan to a married woman, because it will have no remedy against her if she does not have any personal assets. तो बेटा क्या करना है? While dealing with the married woman, bank has to check his personal assets. Her husband will not be liable for any debt of his wife except in the following cases: where the loan is taken with his consent, or where she acts on the agent of his husband, where the loan has been for the purchase of necessities which the husband has failed to provide. Except these two cases, husband is not liable for any debt of the married woman. Hence, banks should be alert while dealing with the married woman. So students, this was all related with the special customer. Thank you.